Good morning, early childhood 1 and 2. We are having our assembly this morning, and I'm welcoming everybody in this area. The assembly will be totally different this time. That's why we're here to welcome you this Friday morning. Hey, you ready to sing our song? Yeah! Ready? Nonggu karanimu. 2, 3. Have you heard your teacher talk about social distancing in the classroom? Hey, can you stand up and show me how we're doing our social distance? 2, 3, do the helicopter. 2, 3, go. Ah, great job. Well done. You can sit down again. All right. Remember social distancing. You did a good job on helicopter, so you don't touch anybody else. I have some certificates to give this morning. And when I called your name, don't stand up, I'll walk to you and I'll give you your certificate. Now you're going to listen really carefully when I read out what are they getting and why are they getting it. Okay. A certificate for being courageous goes to Uriah Patrick for settling in well and is motivated to explore our classroom. Here we go, Uriah. Here we go. I've got the next one. Goes to Sophie Welsh. She's been cooperative in the classroom and she's just settled well also. Here we go, Sophie. Well done, Sophie. I've got one for Rayan Neil Kabar. Rayan, you've settled in well, and you have really been motivated to learn in the classroom. Here you go, Rayan. Well done. And I've got one. This is a special one. It goes to all ECH to Quita. I'll read it to you. You want to hear it? Yes. You were being able to learn and complete most of your activities online, and you have become more confident in your learning. Everybody have been confident in ECH Quita for learning online. So I'm going to give it to Pinso. Here, Pinso. There you go. And I have a feel for ECH1. I want you to listen carefully. Edward Uluzake, he's being reflective. He was being for taking on a new challenge, learning new routines and rules at school courageously. Edward, good job, Edward. There you go, Edward. I've got one for Myra. He's taking in new challenges, Myra. Woo, great work, Myra. There you go, Myra. I've got Grace Patrick. Grace Patrick. You did a good job. You just came into and you're really taking on challenges, Ray. There you go, Ray. I've got Anuyan Barao. You really did a good work too. And I've got Rian Verma. And he's been taking on challenges for great learning too. Well done. And I've got Alaway Samwai. You're taking on new challenges and learning new things also. Krishnapu, I saw Krishnapu. Here, Chris, is yours for taking new challenges. And Nyla, woo, Nyla, good job. Well done, Nyla. You did a good job. You got a certificate. Here you go. Good job, Nyla. And the last one, I've got Annie. job. Well done, Andy. Great work, everybody. Can we give our claps? Claps to everybody who got certificate this morning. Well done with your certificates. You know what? Thumbs up if you like or enjoyed coming back to school. Thumbs up and shake your thumb. Tell me, why did you enjoy coming back to school?
Because it's cool.
Carla, stand up and tell everybody. No, it's Jonas. Stand up, Jonas, and tell everybody. Tell everybody, why did you enjoy coming back to school? Louder to everybody.
Because it's cool.
Because it's cool? Great! Well done! Anybody else? What do you think?
Me.
Okay, Ren, come here, Ren. Come here, Noah, come here, Noah. Tell everybody, why did you like coming back to school? Louder, Noah, to everybody.
Because I like learning.
You like learning. Well done. And Charlotte, come, Charlotte. One more, Charlotte. Tell everybody, why did you like coming back to school? Let's listen to Charlotte.
Because I'm trying to draw my name.
You tried to draw your name. Great. Good job. You know what? Thank you for coming to assembly. And I know you're going to enjoy the rest of the day. Well done. Thank you.